actually there will post the shit. My little fella.
I seen him, it looked like he had a binky on the camera. And a beanie on his head. This is on TV. I will be making another video, I promise. You don't know a thing about YouTube.
Shrink it down where you just see the TV.
What?
Shrink your camera down where you can just see the TV.
I can't do it that close, I'd have to like do this.
Right, look, grab your fingers and go like this.
I know, see look. That's as close as I can get, see look. I can't believe you figured that out.
What, my phone? You look at my phone.
He wants to record too, I think.
No. We're watching it. It's good enough. Sit down, dude. Oh, it's bullshit.
Well, I have to have the camera focus on it too.
The hell with it. It'll be on YouTube already, like I told you.
Was that like Alien?
Yeah, people are going to put this on YouTube.
Yeah.
Watch, I mean, here a little bit, they do all kinds of crazy stuff. They make flags out of fireworks and shit. Towards the end, yeah.
No way they use so much money. That's why I mean you go to New York, see how loud they are.
Oh, I'm sure it's loud as hell. Look at all them fireworks going off at once.
Yeah, I got people who comment, they're not going to be liking you cussing. Like viewers, likers, commenters, and subscribers.
Be quiet. We're recording.
I try to give my viewers daily. I try. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Love that to happen.
Not really. We're gonna turn it off.
Not until it gets to 4:59. I gotta put that on YouTube. I so gotta have that caught on camera. Do it some more, buddy. I should cut that out.
Pop on him? No, don't do that. Give him to George, you know. Watch out now. Come on, Colby, turn around and watch.
I'll catch you on camera.
Or not, I'll break it. There's another song, more fireworks.
I'm gonna have to end this episode here.